Greetings all, Shane Bruce, Rest of My Daisy with the last look at our current project, Daisy, number 108, model 39, Lightning Loader Carbine. Now we've done a couple other videos on this gun, but we're going to take a look at the last little bits of work that we did and give you a real good, in-depth, lengthy look at it, not a 15-second bite. Now, as we've described before, Old Betsy is the name of this gun, and it was inherited by the current owner from his mother. His tasking for us was to get it cleaned up on the outside, get it running good on the inside. So we're going to cover the outside first, and we'll talk a little bit about the inside. You'll note the date there, September 28th, 1962. That's when he assumed ownership of this gun from his mother. And as you can see, it's a 108 model 39 Lightning Loader Carbine. Now, what we've done is clean up the exterior rust. We've dressed up the original screws, fire blued them. They're not quite a match, but they're a close match, but they're clean, they're nice, they work well. We have redone the interior completely. It's now sporting a Cobalt 327 mainspring. LJC, the initials on this side of the butt, are the owner's mother's initials. It was her gun. She wanted to make sure that nobody ran off with her Daisy. Smart girl. Other internal mods we've done is we've put a Cobalt 327 mainspring in it, a 762 overbore air tube, and I have a special surprise for you in just a second, but here's the last of the custom engravings. Just so nobody would forget, the current owner decided that everybody was going to know that this was his mama's gun. It just touches me. Anyway, the steel is now nice and clean, smooth to the touch. All the corrosive heavy rust has been removed. We've got what you would call now a patina finish. I'll go roll down the side here again and take a look at the butt. LJC. And let's take a look at the roll stamp. It's nicely legible now. As you can see, it's a Daisy, number 108, model 39, Carbine. Now, in addition to the interior work we did on the compression side of life, we've also, the owner decided to go ahead and equip it with a brand new item, a bobcatted model 25 spring-loaded magazine. Now, when you combine the improved mainspring, the improved air tube, new seal sets with that little gem right there, which is the same exact length as the original short tube that the gun came with, this is what you wind up with performance-wise. Down here at the bottom, test number 3. Combination of the Model 25 shot tube, a Cobalt mainspring, an overbore air tube, new seal set, got this gun running at about a 333-foot average. And I fully expect, with some exercise, this rascal's going to break 350. So I'm not, I can't document it as a super thumper here at the shop, but I have every expectation that it will be a super thumper after about another 100 rounds have been pumped through the gun. It's going to be heading back to Fort Home later on today or early tomorrow morning, more than likely. And I can't wait for the owner to get his hands on it and give me some feedback about what he thinks. So there you have it, kids. That's all we've got for you today. A relic, legacy Daisy 108 model 39 Lightning Loader Carbine. Sweet.